What's good, and good early afternoon from Johannesburg, South Africa. I just had a delicious steak sandwich. I bought a block of Gouda cheese, was $1.50. The prices here are ridiculously cheap. All right, guys, we're gonna go over Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 46,407. We're up about 0.11% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 870 billion. 24-hour volume is 34.66 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. Incredible benefits, including their Visa cards. Make sure to grab yourself one. You also receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referrals. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. So you can see here, we're just trading in this channel. Your level of resistance is 47.2. and the level of support is 45K. Now we do have a little bit of a double top pattern. As you can see here, we come up, we created a top, we created a second top, and currently we've broken the neckline. We came back up, we back tested it, and we're seeing a little bit of a red candle. So if this pattern continues here, your breakdown target would bring you down basically to the level of support at 45,051, which could be a nice little short trade here of almost 3%. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. Check out my full link tutorial. Make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $600 in bonuses, my favorite platform for leverage trading. All right, guys, so we're underneath the EMAs on the hourly, and the more we hit resistance on 46.7 and we don't break through it, the higher likelihood that we're going to come back down and test this level of support at 45,051. Now, if this support is broken, guys, do target 44K as your next major level. So I wanted to pop into the 4 hour time frame. There is a pattern I've noticed here, and it's a bear pennant. So if you were to see us break down out of this pattern here, your breakdown target is pretty severe, would bring you all the way down basically to the high 37, almost 38K if you bring this up a little bit, right up about 38,000. Now if we were to come down to that level of support, if this were to fully play out, now of course we could find support at 44K and see our bounce, or 42K, but if we were to break down out of this pattern all the way down to 38K, wouldn't be a good signal in my opinion, because on the daily chart here, we'd begin to create the bearish cross where we'd come down, grab my brush here, we'd come down to this level of support, and the 20 EMA would cross underneath the 55 here. We'd have the bearish cross just as we did right here, and that would signify to me that we're going to head into a bear market. However, what can happen here if we do end up breaking down is we find support at 44 or 42K, and then we see our bounce. Now, of course, there's always a possibility of breaking to the upside out of this pattern. Let me open this up. My computer is being so glitchy. Let me just close my, sometimes when my editing software is running, oh, there's me looking goofy. It's a bit much for the computer here. Pattern, what you can do is measure the body of your symmetrical triangle, and that would bring you up to about 48.6K. All right, guys, but on the daily, we're in between the EMAs. So as long as we stay in between the EMAs here, we'll consolidate until we either break the 20 towards the upside, or we break the 55 and head down to these levels of support. If we look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we're still looking healthy, guys. We wicked down to the 20 EMA. We were a bit overextended. We're coming back. We're finding a strong level of support, and that is a good sign of continuation back to the upside. And the key is to break our high at about 52, 53K. And that would signify like, okay, we're good to go. This isn't just a dead cat bounce sending us into a bear. We broke our high, and we're going to see that continuation on the bull run. All right, but in the immediate short term, do keep an eye on this double top. Could be a good short opportunity, but of course use your stop losses and be careful of a throwback here, because the bulls can step in if we get back above 46.7K, break resistance of 47.2. then your bullish target is back up here at 50.4K. There's not a lot of support and resistance in this area, in my opinion. You can see here we're just kind of trading sideways. So if we do break 46.7 and then 47.2, massive signal, we're going to head back up to 50.4K for Bitcoin. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button. Check out the Discord. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.